Thank you for tuning into Vlogger Burgers. Please like and subscribe. Today we're just looking at a quick replacement of a washer drain pump. This one here had some minor cracks and looks like it's been repaired before because you can see some glue and I don't know what's been leaking out of here. But if you just cover one end and blow in the other, you could hear the air coming out. So that's where the water was coming from. It was pretty easy to figure out. So these are pretty cheap. I got this one for $22 online. And I'm going to replace this old one with the new one that just arrived by courier earlier today. And the numbers, they have three different numbers on them, but this one here is the actual number of the part. And if you take a black marker, what I usually do is just take a photo of the numbers and then just do a search for them. But if you run a black marker across it, the numbers even come out a bit more clear when you zoom in on it. So the washer drain pump, it just sits up on top of the motor. And you see these metal clips that they hold it in place. So you just line it up, stick it back where it was. There, perfect. Just clip it back on. Here's one clip. See how rusty it is from the former water leak that won't leak now that it's replaced. And it just slides on nice and easy. So there you have it, folks. The washer drain pump is back on the washing machine. So we should be good to go without any leaks. Thank you for watching Vlogger Burgers. Please like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos from Vlogger Burgers. Thank you.